Una, mahirap para sa amin kasi bago lahat, bago coaches, bago sistema, nag-a-adjust kami. Although we're improving, but we feel short every time na may laro kami. So, yun lang. Masasabi ko lang this season is mahirap for us.
Thank you, Leno. Precious, your thoughts on the tough season that was for you in the team?
Heartbroken. There's not too much to say, honestly. Coming into this season, I thought like we had a chance. You feel me? But sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. But finishing 0-14 was never on my, I'm speechless right now. This is so fucking heartbreaking. Feel me? It is what it is, I guess. Just gotta learn from it.
Okay. Any questions for the players?
Maganda pa sa nabanggit mo, maraming obstacles, pwede na po talaga itong season na magpasa lang sa pumili. Pero despite yun, ano yung mga silver lining o lessons na nakuha madadala mo sa next year?
Yun lang, pinupush naman ako palagi ni coach na gawin yung mga bagay-bagay. I'm speechless, pero yun lang, yung maganda lang dun is may mga rookies kami na nag-step up, which is like Dylan Desty, Super Lagat. Yun lang, maybe we can work on that on our upcoming season.
Nabanggit mo nga yung rookies niyo, maganda naging performance lalo na patuloy ng season, sila Despi, sila Topper. So, para sa'yo, gano'ng ka-break na yung future ng team lalo may intact pa yung core nyo, may rookies pa kayo na mas magagaling pa?
We're gonna work on that. Up to graphics na sana mas mag-improve pa kami as a team and mas gaganda yung chemistry namin next year.
Well, is there any regrets ba na sana yung mga nangyari? Sana yung mga nangyari na yun, sana ganito yung standings or mas makakasama?
Actually, wala na eh. No regrets na. Kasi nangyari na siya. Wala na yung magagawa doon na tapos na. Gagawa na lang namin is move forward and learn kung ano yung mga nagawa namin this season. And lang, every game is a lesson for us. Sad lang na di namin makukuha yung kahit isang panalo, pero yun nga, sinasabi ko nga tapos na yung game, so wala akong sasabi doon. Ulit na lang kami ng mga learnings.
Well, mentioning the growth, the learnings from this frustrating season, can you deliberately say you're coming back next year?
Yeah.
How about your friend? Again, not the optimal season, but looking forward to next year. Are we gonna see French Momo back with you next year?
I don't know, honestly. I don't know. But we'll see, But right now, I don't know.
But if there's any takeaway that you can get from the season, Coach Chris spoke in volumes of your growth as a leader, not just we know how talented you are personally. What are the biggest learnings that you have had inside and outside of the court?
I think I didn't lead the team enough. I feel like I didn't do much from my own part. Honestly, this is like my only season that Coach Chris made me like a co-captain. I have never done this before. I have never led a team before. I have never, you feel me? But coming into the season, Coach Chris say, I'm going to make you one of the co-captains. So that's so much pressure already because being a captain, you have to lead, you have to win, you have to get everyone together. So I think I didn't do much of that on and off the court. So yeah, that's it.
Pressure saying that you did not lead the Red Warriors the way that you wanted. Does that in a way give you some kind of consideration to maybe do that again, fulfill that again?
Yeah, it is. But when you check, I mean, right now we are 0-14. You feel me? It's embarrassing. It's heartbreaking. It's hard. Not just for me, but for the school. The fans. It's really heartbreaking. But I also think on the other side, this is also a motivation to come back next year, work hard, yeah.